Hey, it's Tony with your Toyota tip of the day. So sometimes it's the little things that make a difference between loving a vehicle and liking a vehicle. Here's a tip on the Toyota RAV4 I think you're gonna love. So I'm in the trunk of the RAV4 and notice that the floor is completely flat. It's carpeted with kind of a felt carpeting. Now, one of the things that is a great alternative to the felt carpeting is the back side of the cover. So this cover comes completely out, and when you flip it around, this is a hard plastic surface, scratch resistant and stain resistant. So if you need to throw some sloppy stuff in the back of your RAV4, maybe your hunting gear, snowing gear, maybe you have some gardening supplies, you can bring this thing up and flip it over, put it right back where you found it, and now you've got a nice hard protective surface. In addition to that, if you need some extra height, maybe you need a little extra cargo room, you can take this piece here, slide it back like I did there, and then it actually slides lower into the floor. There's a kind of a track or a rail system there, and then this slides and goes down, and you can see I'm picking up 2, maybe as much as 3 inches of extra height or cargo room, and I still have this hard protective surface on here. Of course, I can do the same thing with the carpet or the felt line part of the surface just by flipping it around like so and sliding it back into the track system like so. So a nice little tip you might not have known about. Hope you found it helpful. Hope you're enjoying your Toyota RAV4.